The body of a missing 13-year-old girl was found soaking in chemicals in the bathtub of a teacher's home.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
13-year-old Shanoya Wray left home like a thief in the night on July 15. Her relatives, who quickly reported her missing, had no clue she would not return home alive. Not a single day during the week in which they awaited her return home did they think that she would have turned up dead and that her alleged killer would be a Trinidadian teacher, Sanju Maharaj, who is currently before the court on a sex charge with her as the complainant. I thought she would come back home. I was not thinking that she would be dead at all, said Wray's mother, Shana-Hay, who was in tears as she spoke from her family home on Tavern Drive in Kingston. The teen's grandmother, Sylvia Campbell, who was also in tears, said every day we call Biffy. Even though she not answer, it seemed the phone was locked off from the Monday, but we say Biffy must answer. The morning after she left, we never did take it for nothing, cause Pitney go about them business and come back. So you expect her to come back the Monday. You are look for her come in the day or in the evening, but every time them call Biffy, no answer, said Shanoya's aunt, Lisa-Gaye. But 5 days later, the family's hope quickly turned to heart-rending grief when the relatives were asked to submit DNA samples for testing, which later confirmed that the skeletal remains that were found soaking in a bathtub with chemicals at premises on Wally Close in Kingston on July 20 belonged to the missing teenager. All who said she has been unable to eat or sleep properly since her daughter's death said the police were only able to recover a few pieces of bones and a skull. The doctor say if it did stay one more day, no bone wouldn't leave and no smell would not be there. The police were alerted to the remains by a neighbor who was concerned about an unpleasant stench from next door after cleaning his home. The neighbor reportedly used a ladder to climb up and peep through a window over into the premises and made the unfortunate discovery. According to all, based on the state of the remains, she was informed that an autopsy could not be done. The police, she said, have since theorized that a caustic substance was used in an attempt to get rid of the teen's body. She said that she was also told by the police that neighbors had allegedly seen a man burning female clothing and braids. Her daughter, she said, was wearing braids at the time she went missing. We just can't believe how the man burned up the child, cause even the bone were left back. Them said no substance not in the bone them. So if the neighbor never find it, even the next 10 years we wouldn't find her or know what happened to her, and them would have to just throw out the case, said the child's aunt, shaking her head. A 19-year-old resident of Harborview in Kingston, Leonardo Madden, believed to be a close friend of the Trinidadian and who was allegedly at the house when the police made the gruesome discovery, was later charged along with Maharaj with murder, accessory after the fact, and misprision of felony. The Trinidadian teacher was arrested and charged last year after Shanoya was found at his home a day after she did not return home from school. In October of 2017, Wray, who was then a 12-year-old grade 7 student at New Day All-Age School, did not return home after school one day. Maharaj, who was on teaching practice at the school at the time, was out on bail and had been scheduled to reappear in court this November on carnal abuse charges. The family, meanwhile, is hoping that they will get justice in the court. The two accused are expected to appear in court on Friday, August 17.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.